This is Patrick's 1947 silversides, and we're working on it at the rally here. We have a loose wheel bearing up front that we're gonna just repack the bearing and tighten it up to get him home. On his engine, we went through and we did a tune-up yesterday. Had a couple issues. One is it wouldn't shut down. You had to manually come and shut it down when it clipped in. When this clipped in, this wasn't going back far enough. But I just reran the rack, and now it takes care of the problem. So now when it shuts down, it does go far enough over where it shuts it off on its own. Not all the fingers were the same on the rack, and the tune-up, one valve was actually the right clearance, which it's a 2-valve head. Wouldn't have mattered because the valve on the other side of that same head was advanced. But they were all over the place. Some were early, some were late. And same thing with the fuel injector timing on it. So went through and did all that, and it runs real nice now. The buffer screw was run in considerably too far, so we got that all adjusted. Fixed one oil leak that I noticed that was coming out of the blower drive. That rubber, this was really loose right here, and that's, if you see oil collecting on top of your starter there, that's a good place to look and then reach under here and see if you get oil on your fingers. But this is a real nice silversides. He's only had it about a year, and he's been working his ass off on it. Motor's a little tired, but still got a lot of life left in it. Nice straight. The patina on it is awesome. The anodized looks real good. It's in better shape than my bus, cosmetically, when I got it, for sure. He's got bigger tires on the back. These are 315/80s 22.5, so that's good for the highway and the fuel economy. We've got little smaller ones on the front. We got, I think they're 275/80s. Yeah, 275/80 22.5s. So anyways, we're just getting this wheel bearing all cleaned up and tightened up. You could see where it was spinning on the spindle, and it made a noise for him, so. Pretty